What if these incredible landscapes hold the biggest secrets in our solar system? Let's find out. The latest footage from Perseverance reveals breathtaking hills, valleys, and fascinating rock formations across the Martian surface. Scientists believe these ancient rocks were shaped by flowing water long ago. The rover's mission is to investigate these formations and collect samples that may reveal whether Mars once had conditions suitable for life. Perseverance continues making history with every kilometer it travels across Mars. The rover's powerful cameras capture remarkable views of the red planet while its scientific instruments analyze rock and soil. Every discovery helps scientists understand Mars's ancient environment and whether it could have supported microscopic life billions of years ago. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.